I feel like the heavy duty is the last piece of the transportation industry that hasn't really decarbonized yet. And we are what class 5 through 8 trucks, I think, are 15% of the vehicles on the road and something like 30 to 40% of the CO2 emissions. Someone will fact check me on that, but it's a big piece of the emissions. So this is something that needs to be tackled, and we're tackling it because this is all we do. Others are tackling it with one toe in, one toe out because they got a diesel business to back
Right.
ourselves up.